Hi, I'm Mark McKenzie with NSS Enterprises, and today we're going to look at Wrangler 2730 and 3330 scrubbers. The Wrangler 2730 and 3330 make up our largest walk-behind scrubber platform. Depending on the model, the scrub deck will be either 27 inches or 33 inches wide. Both models have a 30-gallon solution tank and a 32-gallon recovery tank. For high productivity walk-behind scrubbing, it's hard to beat this machine. The dual heavy-duty pad driver motors turn at 200 RPM, providing outstanding scrubbing performance. The operator can choose to run in one of two modes, giving either 100 pounds or 200 pounds of pad pressure. With these specs, these Wranglers can handle any scrubbing job on any floor. Simple controls make training new employees easy. The twist grip throttle control lets the operator change the machine speed without taking their hands off the handlebar. A few switches and levers control the rest of the machine. New users can be up and running in just a few minutes. The chain-driven center-wheel drive system on the Wrangler 2730 and the Wrangler 3330 is exceptionally maneuverable, durable, and powerful. The non-marking drive wheel provides plenty of traction, even on wet surfaces. The vacuum motor is protected by a foam-busting percolator, a float in the recovery tank, and a secondary filter, preventing foam and water from damaging the machine. These Wranglers also have a few subtle features that make a big difference in the real world. Individual circuit breakers protect the main electrical components, keeping the rest of the machine intact if something goes wrong. Also, the casters and drive bearings are greasable, which allows for periodic maintenance and keeps the machine running longer. Finally, Wrangler scrubbers are built tough for everyday use. The heavy-duty steel frame and stainless steel hardware make these walk-behind scrubbers a valuable asset you can rely on year after year. Those are some of the highlights that make the Wrangler 2730 and the Wrangler 3330 a great option for your cleaning program. I'm Mark McKenzie. Thanks for watching.